You should always think of to be no mind, and no mind can only be when you find the one, the pure, the capital I, which makes you changes in your life. You think I have got the way now, that I have to move on. And if at all any question comes, I have to ask, get clear in the back of mind, one thing, I am not the truth, he is the truth. So outside body is not the true master. That is not the pure I. So outside the body, inside that soul is the pure I. So in that pure, the true master, you have to dissolve inside, not the outside. Today's question is to dissolve in the one, that is the Guru, the truth. I in you, does it require sacrifice and tyag of the physical human body? What is the I? He said, the I in you. What is that I? Which you say, I want to dissolve in you, in the truth. So is there any sacrifice required? Who is this I and who is the you? When we say I in the outer world, then I is representing what? I is representing to whom? Right from that place, the point of time, we got matured. Saying I. Until the last, we keep on saying I. Who is this I? We say the I is my name. I is my face, further we say. I, my body, my hands, my legs, I. Because my is the nothing, just the plural of the I. I is singular, my plural. My means many, I means one. So I and my. So I, the singular, my, the plural. When you say I, who is I? Who wants to be in you? First we have to understand that who is this I? Which I is saying? Which I is saying that I want to dissolve in you? Who is that I who wants to dissolve in you? Who is this I? So I, you say, in the outer, the materialistic, the Mayavi, the dead world, my name, we fill up the form, there it is written I dash son of dash resident of dash. You simply write I Rajesh Kumar Kamra, son of Madan Lal Kamra. You just write down the name. Anybody asks you what is your name, you say my name is this. What is your name? When you fill up I am so and so. But when someone asks you what is your name, who is this your? You immediately say my name is so and so. Who is saying my name is so and so? My. Who is this my? When becomes the question, I am Rajesh Kumar. What is your name? You say my name is. Who is my? When you say I am so and so, I am Rajesh Kamra. When you say my name is, and who is this my? Name is same, Rajesh, but who is this my? That is the question. First you understand who are you. Are you the name? Are you the face? Are you the eyes when you say I? Or my name is? Who is my? Whose name is Rajesh? Who is that? But you are saying my name. Who is my? My name is this. There you are saying I am Rajesh Kamra. Here you say my name is. Who is my? When you go deep into it, because we had been taught right from the birth, you are Rajesh. If it is said right from the birth, we have been conditioned with the same. What do you do? They say, what do you do? I am an officer. I am an officer. I am captain in military. I am bank officer. I am IAS officer. Who is this I? Is the IAS officer? Who is this I? Is that military officer? Who is this I? The name, you say my name is this. You say I Rajesh Kamra. Who is, name is officer. Name is collector. Who is the Prime Minister? Who is Narendra Modi? So who is the Prime Minister? Name is the Prime Minister. Name is the officer. Name is the collector. Name is the commissioner. Then who is that? Who is the one? You say I am so and so. Have you ever inquired yourself? When I say I, fill in the blank, when the form you fill up somewhere, I, Rajesh Kumar, your name it means, your only name. You are only the name. Name is only the officer. Name is only the PM. Name is only the star. Name is only the collector. Name. You say I am. And you say I am so and so. So your identification comes with the name, ends on the name. When somebody dies, we say he died. Who is died? He is died. He is no more. He has expired. She has expired. There also you say that Ramu expired. There also we take the name. Ramu expired. Then we say, who is the Ramu? That son of so and so. Then we say, that son. Then son of so and so, the son of Rakesh. Who is that Rakesh? You do not know. Then what identification you are giving? Through the name only. Son of Rakesh. Staying in Calcutta. We are only playing the game in name. Name is dead. So when death comes, when you take birth, when you are in life, you are only playing with your name. And because you have thought that you are the name, that's why the moment you die, the moment you get retired in your life, the moment you withdraw from the people, your identification is lost. You see, there are many big officers, many commissioner, collectors, and many PM, CM, stars are sitting at their home. Many. Those were very popular brand when they were on the chair. Today nobody is going near to them. Nobody is going there. Not going at all. Big stars, big politics posts, big officers, just no one going, because they had not gone beyond the name. So unless someone is sitting on the chair, people are saluting, people are respecting. The moment he comes down from the chair, not respecting, because name. I am so and so, I am officer, I am collector, I am commissioner, I am PM, I am CM, I am Shah Rukh Khan, I am this and that. The names then they get retired. See, many stars got retired from the film industry. Who cares for them? All those big stars. People are just passing sight on the side. No one knows that they are staying here. Many you see, many CMs, PMs and all people retires. Who cares for them? Even those people on the big seats. Then they are active in politics. People were remembering them. People till the death, that's why remain in that public, wants to be the public figure, so that they should get the respect. They should be popular. That's why till the death they don't want to leave any chair. Because sitting alone in the silence will make their identification zero. That is what the reason. Those who live with the name, thinking I am this name, they are living that deserted life when they sit in silence. Deserted life. You just check on the net those people who are the big politicians, big stars, rich people. See them. Where are they? When they are active, people are respecting. When they are not in the active, people are not getting respect because they lived in the name. That's why when they die, even during lifetime, when they get withdraw from that all active life, people will start forgetting. Because name is just to play. When you are in the play, people remember there are many players in the field. People goes. Those who live in name. And name is Nothing but the Maya. Big Maya. Name is nothing but the big Maya. So, you are not the only name. You are not only the nameplate. You see, if we give that nameplate on this body, and you live with this body only, nameplate only, and when you die, you come to know that I have just lived with the only nameplate. And I got so invaluable assets by the God. I have not gone to search further to my name. That's why those who went into this in search beyond the name, they got that treasure, the wealth. They got the supreme treasure, supreme wealth. They got the supreme chair. See, till now, after even thousands of years, they have been worshipping. They had been worshipped. They are been worshipping. Why? Why? Because they had gone beyond the name. And when they went beyond the name, they got the new name. New name. Because that outer name was just to play. And inner name, what they got, was the original. That's why when we say today, if I say, do you know Vardhaman? You say, who is the Vardhaman? When I say Mahavira, you say, yes, Mahavira, I know. If I say Siddharth Gautam, you say, who is this Gautam? There are many Gautam. When I say Buddha, so yeah, Buddha, yes, I know. If I say you Nanak, so who is Nanak? When I say Guru Nanak, oh, Guru Nanak Dev, yes. You say Guru Nanak Dev, not Guru Nanak even. If I say Gadadhar, who is this? I said Ram Paramahansa, Guru Ram, oh my God. Immediately it will change. These people get into that inner world beyond the name, who had been named by the parents. They asked the question to themselves, they inquired themselves, who am I? Am I the nameplate given to me by my parents with that halla bowl, distributing that all sweets when I was born? Today is the name ceremony. Name ceremony for whom? And that name ceremony, name became me. I became the name. Am I the dad? Am I the dad? Yes. If you are involved in your name, you are dead. You are going to be dead forever. Because name given to this body is going to die. This name will also die. Let it be you are on the very big post, you may be on the very big chair, you may be on the very rich post, richest man of the world. Let it be you are the big star. There are big chair people, big stars, there are the richest people, gone and got that cremated, went into the dust. Their names are no more on this earth. Names are gone. Who knows? Who knows whom? People are going. Those who are going with the dead body, with the dead name, are no more remembered. Those who could not inquire their name, the original name, those who could not recognize themselves, the original face. Even we could not inquire about this face. Who is this? Is this the name given to this face? Is it the same, the one whose name was given at the birth by the parents with a lot of celebrations? Sweets were distributed when he was named, when it was said Rajesh. Is he the same? His all the activities in the outer world, his all thoughts in the outer world, his all that actions in the outer world, is it the same? His subject is the same? Is he living in the same as living before, the same Rajesh who was named by the parents, by the grandparents, or by any nears and dears? Is it the same Rajesh who was before 10th November 2007? You can ask those had seen before, those who watched before 10th November 2007. Is it the same? What are the changes? Those who were knowing close will let you know. Those who were before 2007, 10th November will let you know. Was the same when he came after 12 days, returned on 23rd November? Is he the same? Same? No. When you will ask, even I forget. Am I the same who wants that one day my airlines will be there? Big dreams. 13 hours continuously talking for Maya. 120, 200 blood pressure, full body cholesterol, not the problem. One BP machine in the office, one in the home. Asking always more and more. Not having any problem at all. What is going on? I should have biggest, my name. I should be popular. I should have the big bungalow. Not only in Mumbai, also in Lonavala. Then I will buy one in Dubai also. And then I will buy something. Big dreams. And not only dreams, I was working for it. I was continuously busy for 16 hours, 13 hours speaking, 3 hours in silence, also thinking what to do tomorrow. Whenever getting more problem, going to the doctor. He is increasing the degree of the tablet, giving additional tablet, not the problem. Again I am normal and again just continue. So, the name which was given Rajesh, I was very happy. I used to say, I am so and so. Rajesh, living in Mumbai there. Identification to this body, not even. Just saying I am so and so. You are also saying I am so and so. And I was. I inquired. I was out of the world. I was out of the world. I was not in the world for continuously 9 days in my penance. 9 days and night I was not in this world. Complete out of this world. Does not mean I was in the caves. I was with 45 people witnessing. 45 people. I was with them wherever they were, on the roads, in Mansoori or Haridwar, so much crowd, but neither I was to see the people nor the shops. continuously inside in my thoughts. Who am I? What is this life? Continuously. It is only after the 9th day I came out from me. I was not the same, reborn. But those who are near to me, those who were near to me could recognize something changes. Those who go deeper, they said more changes. And those who came across very near, they said not the same. Complete reversed. Earlier talking of Maya, then talking of God. Earlier was talking the big dreams. No talking, nothing, no dream. What to ask for, got everything. What to demand, every demand fulfilled. Complete satisfied. With the life. No, he is the same. Who was so much struggling continuously to want more. Is the same. No. That I was the dead Rajesh, who is already dead actually. Now that name also looks like is not my name. Not my name. I am not the same. That name was duplicate. Duplicate name. Now one who comes near could recognize that not the one like the others, because the whole world is going through the duplicate name. They think that name is that they are. They think that they are the name, as I was thinking I am the name. Then I could recognize, and then if somebody asked me now, somebody asked me after that 2007, what is your name? I struck off. What name should I give? But for the materialistic things to move on, I simply write. But the word someone asks, someone on something to fill on the form, it comes, okay. But if somebody asks me, really I am telling you, I say this name, what I should say? No name. My name is no name. No name. But a name you say, your name is my name. Whatever link you have with me, that is my link with you. So I am more happy when somebody says uncle, papa ji, dada ji, whatever this is, even Guruji, but not the Rajesh. Who is that? He is dead. Rajesh is no more. But because we had been in this body with the name plate, so we will not be able to hear this thing. If in the relations, those who are now away, those who are not in touch at all, because for them, when I gave all that message of that I in me to them, when I gave this message of I in me to them, to all my nears and dears, because before throwing the SIM card in the dustbin on 1st January 2017 when I got retired, I gave message to all my nears and dears, all my relatives. I think no one is left on the mother side, on the father side, or any my friend. Then I throw in the dustbin. Then whoever now comes on with the new I is my nears and dears. All old knives are now dead for me. Yeah, Rajesh is dead. He is no more. Rajesh had cremated his body himself. Not required that 4 people to come and take the body. That name is burnt. So who is then, if he is burnt, then who is this I? Then I was not I. Outside Rajesh died. Outside Rajesh died on that 21st November 2007, and on the same ghat where that we are throwing the bones in Haridwar, burnt the body. And after that, what the identification came, you know? I was not I, the same. I was you. And I was with you inside. The master, the true master, and remained in the same state of mind for up to 31st December 2011. Without even concentrating, without even dedicating, just continuously day and night. That is what the world says, the world meditation. They are doing meditation for 1 or 2 hours or 5 hours. I was meditation till 31st December 2011. Continuously in meditation state, without doing anything. I was in the world. I was going to the office even. I was looking after everything. I was going with my children to the hotels, to cinema halls when they say. I was taking them anywhere, but I was nowhere. Even in the theatre, I was not with the Parda movie. I was not with that movie. I was inside with my movie. Yes, for making them happy in the interval, I'll go and take the popcorns and everything, give them. That is what the said by the Krishna, artistic. But I was nowhere. Nowhere. If I want to see you, I will see you. Even my eyes are looking. You will think that I have seen you. No. If I want to see you, I will see you. If I want to hear, let the band, baja may be there. I will hear. Totally lost in me. That's why I said not to do. Undoing is meditation. And what undoing? Not doing at all. Even dreams were not allowed to come without the permission. Even the bed sheet just displaced from that feet, I know, cannot move without me. That on the central point inside, I was with my master. Not I. No I. Now this I became just to play the role outside. Like Shah Rukh Khan, Karishma played the role on the set with the other names. Now Rajesh, the name was the dead name, was playing the role whose appointment was given, that he is the father, he is the husband, he is the son, he is the friend, or whatever. But all the relationship friend curtailed to the only one which was required, the wife and the children. That's all. Whole world relationships are over. Thrown the SIM card in the dustbin. No. Not only they, those are my relatives, those who comes on the track to that original I. Capital I. That capital I is you now. One who was looking into me was looking to the you, not to me. If at all he was looking at me, I was taking him to the you, the true master. That is what. The outside Rajesh is no more. Dead. Inside you is born, and you is not me. Remember it. You is not I. Because if I outside, the nameplate goes inside without dissolving into you, that will be the impure I. Impure I. Because I is not yet dissolved, but had come in the other form of the duplicate inside I, which you will see that 99.9% people in the world, those who went into without dissolving in you, the true master, they takes that granted that we had achieved something. Because generally when you are with the master, you got many things. You move to the journey. A journey when he reaches to the stage of, you can say, the example of 75-80% of your journey completed. The outside I is dying, not dead. 75-80% dead. But inside when he goes, he creates one more I. Then that I is not dissolving in that you, the true master. Then that I withdraws from there, outside, and comes with that other I. One outside I, the name, now inside I, but not the complete I. So that I is more dangerous, because now the people will start touching the feet, hearing to him. Because naturally, if your journey is 80% crossed, people, those who are, will be respecting you. And many people outside in the blind world will follow you. Blind follows the blind. Blind follows the blind. 99% in the world are blind people. Not knowing that who am I. 99.9% people in the world are not aware of who am I. They think the name is I. They think the name is I. Further, they say this face is I, this face is I. That face, this is going to die. So, dead people, when someone comes with little knowledge, people just touch the feet. Because they had never known about these things. That why the inside theory. So even they get something, they think there is a big thing. Blind people, just the dying people, follows that blind gurus also, blind teachers, blind guides. Because they never got anything. They were even the big officers, PM, CM stars, but their subject was never beyond the name outside. They thought this name is only the life, but when they talk about the inner world, something, they think, oh my God, it is like that someone who is in the 10th standard talking to the one who is in the 2nd standard. Then they think, oh, he knows so much. Naturally. So little knowledge is dangerous. That is what the sentence in the outer world also is say. Little knowledge is dangerous, more dangerous. Going on the route inside and withdrawing yourself outside and try to be more than that one, more than thinking themselves the master. Because as I say, means in 700 crore people, if you go, you will get 699 crore 93 lakh to follow you. Only 7 lakh people in the world, you will not get those who will follow you. But you will get, so these many people. So always you will get thousands of people, lakhs of people who starts even touching feet, worshipping you. So this is a very deep subject. You cannot just go float if other one is floating, the one ahead of you. It is your search. One has to search individually, not the copying of that one who has come and said that, okay, we will go there and take the name and that thing. New name. Naam, new naam. One name has gone, no new name has gone. Come. This is very deep subject. You have to think of yourself. Are you dead? If I say your name with the death, he is no more, she is no more, what will happen? Will you feel happy? Your parents, your family will feel happy if I say you is no more, she is no more? No. Even you may not like it. Because saying this word, who is alive, whose name is alive actually, if we say he is no more, she is no more, one will get shocked and he will get sad. How you are saying like this? I will just put the photo on the wall and put garland. He is dead. She is dead. If I say Rajesh is no more, then you know, no. But unless you come close, you cannot understand, not the same. Now my relatives, the thousands of relatives and those friends, if it is said to them he is no more, they will shock. Hey, what happened? What happened? But they will not understand this theory that which Rajesh is no more, who is dead. Unless they come near to me, sit near to me for days together, at least 5, 7, 10 days, then only they'll come. He's not the same. Really, it is changed. Complete change. Not the same. So that when I say, should dissolve in the you is the capital I, who has gone into you, remain in that state is together. Generally, I say always, 98% of the people, those who kill their I outside, the name, the body, the subconscious mind body, and travel to the you, one who is lost in you, hardly, the Supreme God, I say, the Supreme God who enters in the body, always gives something new to the world, to anyone. Those who had come on this earth in the form of Ibrahim, Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Guru Nanak, Ram Paramahansa, Sai Baba, Meera, Sahajullah, Kabir, Farid, Socrates, Lao Tse, these all people were used by the Supreme God to give the message to the world, because they became the speaker of the God, and the message will pass as per the situation there. So God always changed the syllabus. Like you have the syllabus outside, science, commerce, engineering, this thing, that thing. Like when God changes the syllabus through anybody, but the ultimate goal is, like you say, he is graduate, she is graduate, let it be BSc, BCom, BEd, whatever she had done or he had done. Mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, whatever engineering is done, but graduate. So likewise, the God is one. Let all the rivers come from anywhere. So all the different syllabus you will find. If same was the syllabus, no need of just telling, making them the new syllabus. They would have called that, okay, when Buddha came, he must have said the Gita, ditto, copied. Buddha brought the Dhampad. God wanted to give through that body the different message. And the other hand, near to him, 2 hours away from him, both were alive, 25 years age difference, even died almost together because Buddha had big age. So they died also in the difference of 10 years. So Mahavira was near to him. Even sometimes they were going together in the parallel side. Parallel. That he was moving this side, he was moving that side. So Mahavira, God gave the new message. Buddha, he gave the different message. In the different way. The words are different, the meaning is same. Mahavira said Ahimsa, Buddha said Dukh. Sad. He said the world is sad. And Mahavira said, don't go to the non-violence. Don't make violence. Violence and sadness is the same. When Mahavira said, Mahavira was not talking about the others. For this don't kill others. He was talking about yourself. Don't kill you. You are killing your original face in that getting busy to the duplicate face. You are just enjoying with the mask, not with the face. So search your face. Don't give violence to your original face. When Mahavira said Ahimsa, the non-violence, his mean was that you should be non-violent to yourself. In other words, the same. Don't make sad to yourself. If you are in bliss, happy inside, you will make others also happy and bliss. So don't be violent to yourself. And same, Buddha said, in other words. So, who was that Buddha? The I, which was dissolved in you. Then the God take them further. Hardly I said 2% in the history. You'll find 1 or 2. Because the very old record, 2500 years before, even that true master's names are not appearing there. In Buddha Dhampad it is there, 2 names are there. Because Mahavira is for all. One who is going to the non-violence is the Mahavira son. He is the Jain, pure. Those who are said, they are not that Mahavira's Jains. And you'll find everybody said only. So this is what required. The I outside Vardhaman died at the age of 42. Old. Siddhartha was died, the Gautam died at the age of 36. New Buddha was born, new Mahavira was born. Renamed. So, the inside, the conscious, sitting on that conscious, the soul which we say never take birth nor dies, when you go to that point, sit on that chair, that I, soul I, which is in the body, calling, shouting, asking the one, come in my vehicle, come in my boat, come in my plane, I will take you to the supreme, your original home, the permanent home. Till I am in the body, you can recognize me. When I am not in the body, it will be difficult for you to recognize. Because when not in the body, you had to be not in the body to recognize me. But how will you be with me not in body? So once you have to dissolve in you, then you can reach to me. Because unless you dissolve in you, the you means the one who is the truth. When I say the true master is not the body. Remember it. Body is just the instrument. If I take out everything from the speaker inside, then will speaker speak? If I take everything from the TV inside, will TV give the picture? Will speak anything? So there is a circuit inside. So that circuit inside is making the instrument to move, to speak, to listen. Your earphones are working when there is an instrument inside. Outside you find so beautiful, but the beauty is of no use. When you say, no, it is not gone. This a speaker is gone, bring the new. Why? Speaker is still there, but inside circuit some fault had come. Inside circuit is important. Outside body is not important. You have a good TV, outside beautiful TV, but when it is gone, circuit is blasted. The same TV which cost 1 lakh rupees will cost now 1,000 rupees. Circuit is lost. So outside body is not the true master. That is not the pure I. The pure I inside that. So outside the body, inside that soul is the pure I. So in that pure, the true master, you have to dissolve inside, not the outside. Outside dissolving you are already doing in the world, that is the Mayavi dissolving. And Mayavi dissolving will be that both are going to die. Both are going to die. So one who is inside, the true master, we say the truth, where that Jesus said, I am the truth. Where Jesus said, I am the way. I am the way. What is that way? So the body was the way. I was the truth. So through this way, body is the way to reach to the truth. Body is the bridge to come to the other side. But body is not the truth. Bridge is not the truth. Nobody just stay on the bridge. Nobody hold on the bridge. Nobody halts on the bridge. Just they keep on moving. So body is just to move on, not to stick to the body. And the true master is one who will take you out of the body. He will not make you hold on the body, not to stay on the bridge. He said, come, we have a long way to go. You will keep on standing on the bridge. When we will reach there, to the destination, then when you are enjoying on the bridge, he will kick you. That's why I said last. Because you enjoy on the bridge, because you had been on the bridge for many years, many births. You had enjoyed the body, so you think body is the I, but the I is beyond the body. First you go for the outside name plate, and when you go to the body, and then you just attaching to the body. You, because for you is so good, outside world you have not found anybody who loves so much. All are the flood cheaters. Nobody loves nobody. Now when you come to the true master, you think that, oh my God, you love so much. So you want to stay on that body. Then there is a top, the 100% wealth. Go further. Move further. Don't stay here. Same mistake you had done outside. When you got some big wealth or some big chair, you were halted. This is a life. That's all. You had come from that wealth and everything. You had left that, shown back to them. You are traveling through me. Now you are halted on that same now. This from the outside name, you have just left that name. Now you are coming to the body. Now you are attaching to the body. Now come further. So that same will just give the hand, take you there. If you are not coming like this, our child, when we are moving, we are walking, and he is not coming, what we do? We take him by push. Come. If he is not coming, we are shouting. We are shouting, come. If then also not coming, we are slapping him. That's why I say that the true master loves you. But if you are not going further, then he also sometimes use that weapons to shout on you. To take you further. Because when you reach there, then only you will come to know that you are as in the complete 100% bliss, undoer. Now I dissolve in you. You am I am you. Two became one. One. River when went into the sea, river become sea. Ganga becomes sea. Ganga is no more when getting dissolved in the sea in Calcutta. Ganga Sagar. Ganga becomes Sagar. You cannot find out Ganga in the sea. Everywhere in the sea, in the world, you will find Ganga, but you cannot take out the Ganga from sea. Because I is no more. Now I, to recognize, I says, see the sea, I am that sea. If you want to see me, see in the sea. That's why all those went into the top, the capital I, we say them that they are the compassion like the sea, compassionate sea. They are the sea, love. Loves like a sea. They can love all. So we take that I, the capital I, the pure I, that is inside. So when you go with your journey, then the same takes you inside, and then you are dissolved totally. So what to do? Just execute the command. Like in defense, one execute the command of his seniors. But there he or she may not be by heart executing, but outside executing. Here the difference is you have to execute from inside. Inside execution. Your breath should take the command, not the brain. When words are going from the brain, should go to directly to the conscious, no question. Till the no question, question will come. Because questions will take you to the no question. Remember it. If the questions pertaining to the destination, you want to reach to the destination, you want to dissolve in you, then only you will ask the questions pertaining to the heart. Because heart is the point where you have to reach. So mind has to become no mind. You should always think of to be no mind, and no mind can only be when you find the one, the pure, the capital I, which makes you changes in your life. You think I got the way now, that I have to move on. And if at all any question comes, I have to ask, get clear in the back of mind, one thing, I am not the truth, he is the truth. Then only things will move on. If you think sometimes, I am the truth, I am right, he is wrong, then it means you are not yet made yourself confirmed that you are with the truth. So the moment this thing will come, one day while on the journey, that you will say that I am lost, I am no more. You are there. So I dissolve in you. But anything comes in brain, you have to vomit, question, provided you think yourself wrong, but I am not able to understand, so please make me clear. Let the 100 questions comes to get you cleared. But it should be only in the view that I am wrong, you are right. Inside you should think, I must be wrong. I will clear it. I will clear it. And if you are not getting clear, you again ask. You will be cleared. You will be cleared for everything. Krishna was with Arjuna for 18 days and nights, giving all answers to the Arjuna. If Arjuna is ready, Krishna is always there. But your thirst, your hunger, showing back to the world of name, showing back to the name that your dead name. Whenever you show back to the dead name, the live name will come. That live name is no name. All names belongs to him. And that only come when you are with the dead name, you are using your brain totally there. When you become no mind, you are with the live name. And that live name is I, the pure I. So to be pure I, you have to dissolve in you. Then out you will come with the pure I. And that pure I is the capital I, where you are not the same as you were. Completely changed. So that life is bliss. Then nothing in the world can touch you. Let it be any profit or the loss, respect or the disrespect, birth or the death. Nothing in the world can touch you because you are sitting on the chair of the soul. And just seeing that all game coming through this body, Leela. So that Leela will be the outcome of that I, the pure, getting the all the dirty I, getting into the pure I. Dirty I, dead I, getting into the live I, the soul I. So that soul I, the you, will just engross you the moment you take yourself in the complete thirst and the complete hunger to dissolve. The important is your thirst and the hunger. And further, when you come to know I am wrong, he is right, then you will have the full sight of the true master on you. That he is not just making himself right, but he wants to clear that I am wrong, but I am not getting convinced to it. Please convince me on this. Then the true master convinces you for everything. So that is what the journey of I into you. Get it complete and make your this birth and death cycle to break and be the immortal in the God home like Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Guru Nanak, Ram, Paramahansa, Sai, Meera, Sahaj, Lalla, Kabir, Farid, Sukrat, Lao Se. They all had God. You can. It is a birthright of every human being to be in the God home. So you can reach there, but only the outside nameplate, the I, should get dissolved into the pure I. And then the life will be the success, blissful outside. You'll enjoy each second of every moment. That is what my experience I am telling you. Because in the same state, not that I am talking about what the book says, and I am not reading any books at all. Just I go through sometime when I have the time, but I don't have the time. So this is all is my experience I am telling you. Experience. All my stories, whatever is my vani, is my stories. Just go through it, grasp through it, get the results, experience yourself, don't believe. Your experience cannot be wrong. And then further how much you want to move on, that is your choice. One day, one birth, you have to complete your journey to the complete, that pure I, you have to dissolve yourself, then only you will be going out of this birth and death cycle. Other will keep on revolving on this earth in other bodies and then coming to human being. Then new all your desires, karmas. So just keep yourself touched to the you and make your life success.